Sherrod Dyson. In center field, number 18, Lorenzo Kane. In left field, number 3, David Lowe. At first base, number 15, Hila Kayahue. At second base, number 12, Ernie Falou. At shortstop, number 24, Mike Aviles. At third base, number 14, Lance Sawatsky. Behind the plate tonight, number 9, Manny Pena. And on the mound tonight, number 21, Danny Duffy. Ladies and gentlemen, your 2011 Omaha Storm Chasers and our Field & Greens teams. Now, ladies and gentlemen, at this time we ask that you rise and remove your caps for the singing of our national anthem.